In this video, we'll learn how to use the AI-powered OCR feature to import lab results in RenalGenie. First, go to the patient's profile. From the submenu on the left, select Lab Results. Click on the Import button. Next, choose the date of the lab test, select the lab name, and select the procedure name. Then, click on this icon and upload the lab result file in PDF format. Once uploaded, click on the downward arrow icon. The OCR will now read the lab result directly from the PDF you uploaded. As you can see, the lab results are automatically pre-filled, no need to enter them one by one anymore. Finally, click Save, and you're good to go. This is how you can easily import lab results using OCR in RenalGenie. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.